Let's learn how to post from the Debtors Journal and the Cash Receipts Journal to the Debtors Ledger. This month, Tabiso and Keegan bought from SmartTech on credit. We need to record what they owe and any payments they make. When a customer buys on credit, we issue an invoice and record the sale in the Debtors Journal. When a debtor pays part of their account, we issue a receipt and record it in the Cash Receipts Journal. Let's look at Tabiso's transaction. On the 5th of June, a credit sale was made to Tabiso for an amount of R500 and the invoice C23 was issued. We now post this credit sale to Tabiso's account in the Debtors Ledger. We enter the amount as a debit because it increases what he owes. Let's now look at Keegan's transaction. On the 10th of June, Keegan paid R300 on his account and received receipt R12. We also post Keegan's payment to his Debtors Ledger account. This is a credit because it reduces his debt. After each entry, we update the balance to show how much the debtor still owes. To determine the new balance, we take the old balance and we always add debit entries and subtract credit entries. But why is it important to post to the Debtors Ledger? Posting helps the business track how much is owed, collect money on time, and keep accurate financial records. Let's summarize what we've learned. Sales go from the invoice into the Debtors Journal and then into the Debtors Ledger, where it is debited. Payments go from the receipt into the CRJ and then into the Debtors Ledger, where it is credited. And now we've learned how to post from the Debtors Journal and the Cash Receipts Journal to the Debtors Ledger.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.